Okay, so what I'm doing now, after that, just make it the dark line over here. Okay, I line like this. Okay, more focus the shading, eyebrow, this line, this this line like okay, the ear, the neck is little longer, and they're wearing some jewelries. We can put some jewelries, especially African jewelries is very different, very colorful. They're using. So all those things is very important when you are learn drawing. No, it's not take it casual. It is research is very important. The Pablo Picasso, Van Gogh, the Leonardo da Vinci, they are all artists that research a lot. So I still research every day when I start drawing. Atrika beta, understood no?
Yes.
Okay. Which class you are beta?
Seven.
Seven. Good. So Atrika, is this way you are learn before any or you watch any videos or YouTube or any teacher this way to learn that how to circle and all those things? Is it easy what to feel or it is difficult to understand that?
Sir, I don't have to try this first.
Okay, like now you draw the birds and animals also, no?
Yes.
So it is feel difficulties are easy with the using circle.
So it's normal.
This is normal,
It's
not that
hard.
difficult, not difficult, not that easy, right?
Yes, it's not
Yeah, it is so easy actually. You just when you are practice, no? So all drawing when your circle is coming nicely, no? Then it is very easy. So because today also circle drawing is easy or difficult? What do you say? Circle drawing is it difficult or easy?
So I think it's good. It's easier.
I guess it's easy.
Yeah,
But if you draw, that time is not coming proper circle, no? So try to make approximately correct circle. That's okay. No need to the 100% because I never uh, done before any circle the perfect. In my entire life, I do the quite crore circles. I do. But I can't. Not possible without a compass or something. Not possible the exact circle. But 80%, 20% is fine. If you draw, then it is very easy to draw. Shreya now join. Hi Shreya, good morning. You join now, Amit Baran.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Yes sir. हाँ 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 बोलो. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. हाँ सर. या सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलेगा. सर्टिफिकेट के लिए सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा ओबी यूनिवर्सिटी एफिलिएशन. That is an Rabindra Bharati University, RBU. That is the Patiala University, Punjab, and this is a Mysore University, Karnataka. So all those university. हाँ मैं कर देंगे. मैं वो एग्जाम देना पड़ता है एंड एग्जाम में उतना ज़्यादा टफ भी नहीं होता. So I seen that from also, okay, universities from also this affiliation, yeah. So exam के लिए you minimum you need to the 1 years learning, okay. After that, you can give the exam. Otherwise, not. The 6 month and certificate is not possible for this valuable certificate. If you need. From my side, I say the diploma certificate, but for the university certificate, you need the 1 year. Understood? Yes. Mm-hmm. Sorry. Yeah. कौन सीखना चाहते हैं? Who's the stage want to learning? How older? The age? Yeah. हाँ हाँ. Sketch. Right. Sketch. हाँ. अब कहाँ रहते हैं? इंदिरा नगर में और कहाँ पे? वर्ड स्टेट्स बिहार दरभंगा से बोल रहे हैं. Okay, fine. So you can join the online class only, and the online classes course free for that. Okay, you can join that. Okay, you just say hi. Okay, I can send details. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you just in my WhatsApp number you send hi Tapan sir. My name is Tapan. I send detail because I'm taking classes. I'm not able to talk much, so don't worry. Yeah, no. Sorry, it's cool. I just tell you, okay. Just send me hi Tapan. Your name, good name. Hi, tell the hi Tapan. Amit here. I send details. Okay, when I free, I can send details. Okay, today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Okay, sorry, someone called the inquiry for the joining. It's happening always. So disturbing. Okay, fine. So I hope that you understood now, Nihita, beta, that this part is very short, and actually this skull, no, this African skull I see is coming like this. It's as like a chimpanzee skull and African character skull is almost the same. Chimpanzee skull and African almost the same. It's coming very see, come fast forward like this. So why I discuss about the skull, because this is actually the base. Okay, when you, without anatomy you will not progress anything. This skull like this. See, this is skull like this, coming like this. Come out, no here. So you understand the anatomy. That is very important. Okay. So I hope all of you finish. You can go ahead the next drawing. I not.